If you're running macOS Ventura and iOS 16, then you can now use your iPhone's camera instead of your webcam on your computer. Here I am in a Google Meet call, waiting for people to join, and at the moment I'm using my Mac's built-in webcam. But if I go into the video settings page, and this will work on any video calling app, you'll then notice there's a new option there for my iPhone camera. Now, to get this option to show up, you have to be signed into the same iCloud account on both devices. They have to both have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on, and your iPhone has to be stationary in a landscape position. That means docked or perhaps in a stand. If those criteria are met, your phone will show up as a camera, and when you go onto it, you then get a much clearer webcam, just like this. And while I'm using my iPhone as my webcam, I can also enable Center Stage. This is great because my iMac didn't previously have Center Stage. So to do this, all I do is click onto Control Center in the top right-hand corner, then go onto Video Effects. From here, when I enable Center Stage, the camera will then follow me around the room as I move side to side or up and down, just like this. If you'd like some more quick tips that get straight to the point and help you make the most out of your Mac, then please do subscribe down below.